Look. Christy's got friends. Mm.
You're scaring me to death.
They're gonna get your feet. Look.
These two are your friends right here.
Uh-huh. I don't got it, guys.
If my feet tasted good, I think they probably would try.
These guys just... Ouch, ouch, ouch. Ouch, man. That's what they do, is they pinch each other. Oh, this guy's gonna get some.
Now we know why his feathers are over.
Yeah. I mean, 'cause they rip each other's out, man.
His head is real black, and this one's head is brown.
Whoa. They're getting wild. They're wilding out.
Yeah.
It's Friday night. Go get some. Go get some, boys. Such a beautiful day out. And these ducks are... Oh, look. This one took a dump right here.
Yeah.
Thanks, buddy.
I just cleaned the porch, too.
Aww.
The other ducks.
Look, we should treat him like Max and have little baby wipes and wipe his ass.
I know, right?
You gonna go over there? Yeah, I threw bread all around Christy's chair and they came up fighting within 6 inches of her.
Look at his feathers, for real.
Oh yeah, he's got jacked up. He don't care. He's like, keep biting me, I don't care. Dude, and they will smash your finger in a heartbeat, but they bite each other. Yeah, you get some. Yeah, you get him. Yeah, we got guard geese. Yeah, yeah. As long as they're abusive to others, we reward them. Look, here he comes. He's like, oh, I hear good job. It's like, you rat. It looked like he got hit by a car. Or it looks like somebody put him in a dryer. And just tumbled him for a while.
They don't have any boundaries, that's for sure.
No. Where you going, bub?
There's nothing up here, bro.
You gonna eat this shit? Come here, eat it. I don't got nothing for you, bro. Alright, Christy, I'm gonna leave you at it. Look how many birds there are.
They're all coming back. They think you have something.
I'm just gonna do the hand motion thing and get them all back over. Oh, there he goes. Alright, I'm going back in.